Good morning, everyone. I am Stephen Haas, Head of Credit Trading in Amerivet Securities. Welcome to Talking Tuesdays. A massive week of new issues set the tone for spreads as they moved wider. We closed the week Friday with a devastating unemployment number that was highly expected, but the real question on the unemployment front is when does the situation bottom out and how many jobs come back as we reopen the economy in the States. The credit markets on the new issue side continue to enjoy the tailwinds of the Fed's primary and secondary credit facilities, as they are providing a much-needed lift to the markets. The new issue calendar pumped out $93.2 billion, exceeding last week's total estimate of $70 billion. Spreads in bank and finance closed out the week wider as the massive new issue calendar is filling the appetite of the investor base for credit, and spreads in banks were 8 to 13 basis points wider, while financials were 5 to 15 wider. Last week in credit, we saw $2.4 billion in net client selling. Tech, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, energy, utilities, and industrials all saw the biggest net selling, while financials, materials, and healthcare saw net client buying. The bulk of net client selling in credit was seen in the 7 to 12 year, 3 to 7 year, 12 to 30 year maturities. Last week, Amerivet Securities was a junior co-manager on a $1.5 billion transaction for Citigroup. Great job by all. Inquiry on the desk continues in the long end with energy, oil, and REIT axis. Please contact us for details. We opened the week yesterday with over $23 billion in new issue supply, and spreads were wider by 3 to 10 basis points. I am Stephen Haas. Thank you for listening to Talking Tuesdays.